Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Towards a digital future, that's the new strategic direction of the RJRGleaner Group. Shareholders were provided with details of the group's plans at the annual general meeting today. Amor Harriet reports.
Plagued by an operating loss of over $500 million for the year ended March 31, 2024, this declaration by the chairman of the RJRGleaner Group, Joseph Matalon.
A seismic shift is underway in how audiences engage with media, and companies like ours must act with equal boldness to secure our future.
He argued that there is a proliferation of content that consumers can access across multiple platforms and devices. He outlined how this will be achieved.
We are moving away from legacy structures and cultures that no longer serve us. The integration of Radio Jamaica Limited and the Gleaner Company Limited in 2016 was just a first step, and one which, quite frankly, we have not followed through on with the energy required. Now we must accelerate efforts to function as a truly unified, agile organization.
A key part of this change, he adds, is capitalizing on digital revenue streams and fully embracing that the future is digital.
We must see ourselves not as a legacy media company adapting to digital, but as a digital media company leveraging our powerful, trusted brands to deliver value in new and exciting ways.
Meanwhile, Chief Executive Officer of the group, Anthony Smith, says the company is currently exploring several cost-saving measures. He hinted at changes to the group's corporate structure.
Right now, within the group, there are about 13 legal entities, which contributes to complexity. We are moving to a scheme of arrangement to get that down to 3. The aim is to have 3 legal entities within the group. This will reduce complexity and reduce cost.
Already, the company has begun the process of consolidating its pension schemes. He noted that the company will also be creating a flatter structure. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going down this week. Effective tomorrow, 1 liter of 87.90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Diesel will also see $3.06 being shaved off each liter. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will decrease by a similar amount, and $3.06 will be taken off each liter of kerosene. Propane will go for 75 cents less, and butane decreases by $3.06. Each gas station will make adjustments to the prices. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.05. The Jamaican dollar lost significant ground to the Canadian dollar, which is being sold for $123.26. $206.69 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.34. The main JSE index advanced by 2,035 points, while the junior market advanced by 12 points. Among the 48 winners were Berger, ISP Finance Service, Access Financial Services, Key Insurance, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. The 47 losers included Knutsford Express, Palace Amusement, Jetcon Corporation, The Lab, and Elite Diagnostic. 16 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Good evening.